I love everything about the fan. I cannot pinpoint one thing, to be honest. Hi, my name is Jenn Nhan. I am a product developer manager at SharkNinja. I'm working on the FlexBreeze Fan program. We saw that the world was heating up. US, France, Germany, UK, all over Europe. People were just hot all the time. Like, they're hot when they're sleeping. They're hot when they're working out, when they wake up around the house, when they're outside. And we thought, hey, what a perfect timing to introduce the FlexBreeze Fan. Literally does it all, indoor, outdoor, corded, cordless. It comes with a remote. It oscillates 180 degrees. It is water resistant. Super powerful, goes up to 70 feet range on breeze boost. Pedestal and tabletop fan. Pop the fan head off, place it on a table, place it on the floor, put it back on the pole, charge it, and take it everywhere. If you're really hot, you can put a misting attachment right onto it. Plug it into your hose, stick it right on, and then let the kids go wild. Because for those who don't have an outlet available outside of their house, that you can charge your fan inside, bring it out so you're more comfortable. It does come with a car charger too, I keep forgetting. People were shocked that this was even a fan, that it can look that pretty and that it can look so integrated into their home. Literally blown away.